Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to change your MacBook wallpaper. So let's get started. Changing your MacBook wallpaper is a simple and quick process. First, click on the Apple icon located in the left corner of your screen to open the menu, and then select System Settings from the options presented. Once in the System Settings, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper section. Click on it to access the wallpaper settings. Now, you can browse through the available wallpapers or select your own image from your files. You can also add a photo album or add a file. So it really just depends on you since you have many options. Once you have chosen your preferred wallpaper, click on it to set it as your new background. In just a few easy steps, you can personalize your MacBook and give it a fresh and inspiring look that suits your style and mood. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.